Hi there, my name is Chris Schellenberger, the founder and CEO of Purr.ca, the only way to get top dollar for your car. So I've quit the auto industry 3 times for reasons you may understand. The issues I encountered were the cutthroat nature, tricky sales tactics, and customers often felt like they were being taken advantage of. In this video, we're going to cover the problem with traditional dealerships. Why do they take advantage of their own clients, and are they terrible people? And we'll talk about the pros of the dealerships as well. Next, we're going to talk about the 3 options that everybody has, including yourself, to sell vehicles and which one can actually save you the most money. Some of these may surprise you, as most people don't know all 3 options. Next, we're going to discover how to get up to $10,000 more in savings with your current vehicle. If you could get up to $10,000 more than any other method, what would you do with that $10,000? And finally, how to get your vehicle sold faster and for more money than anywhere else without doing any of the frustrating work like trying to sell it privately. So, number 1, the problem with dealers. Dealers, their business model is flawed. They buy low from one client and then they sell high to the next client. So they are actually incentivized to punish both of their clients. In this example, a seller was offered a trade-in of $16,000. The dealership turned around, listed that vehicle for $21,000. The buyer negotiated down to $20,000, and the seller and buyer both ended up getting the short end of the stick here. That's why the dealer has a great big smile on their face. So you can see why at dealerships that clients often feel undervalued. Have you ever experienced this when you're at the dealerships? It's not because of the people. I've worked in the dealerships and most of the people are great, but the problem is they're incentivized to buy low off you and then sell high to the next person. And that's just the way the industry has been for the last 100 years. Now, dealerships, it's not always problems. So some strengths that dealers have, what do they get right? Well, they have professional photos. They're really good at posting a beautiful ad. They can write compelling ad copy. They can list the pricing very either aggressively or they can list it very high. They know where to list the vehicle for the pricing because they have tools that dictate to them where to price. Do they want to sell quickly or do they want to sell it for as much as possible and hold on to that vehicle for a little bit longer? They have a team of salespeople to handle their clients. They have a database of previous clients that they can resell to. They have access to mechanic and body shops. They have numerous banks for financing, pricing tools. They got great location, excellent advertisement. But did you know the best ways to sell your car and how you can save? These are the 3 options. Number 1 is you can, just going to move that over here. Sell your car to a dealer, or you can sell it private. If you sell, for example, we'll use $20,000. If you sell your car for $20,000 and you buy your next car for $50,000, there's not going to be any savings. You're going to have to pay $50,000 plus tax on your next purchase. So there's no immediate savings in this option number 1. You get what you get and nothing more. You could potentially sell it for a little bit more if you sell it privately, but then again, you won't have access to financing and banks, so it's going to be tougher to sell it for that full price. Option number 2 is you can trade into a dealer. When you trade into a dealer, we'll use the exact same numbers. So say you trade in, the dealer gives you that $20,000 and your next vehicle is $50,000. Now the beauty here is you only pay tax on the difference. So instead in option 1, you paid $50,000 plus tax. In option 2, you only pay $30,000 plus tax. So that's going to save you $2,600. And then the next option is listing your car through a dealership. Now, what does that mean? It means if you list your car for sale at a dealership through consignment. Now, not many dealerships out there will let you list their vehicle on consignment. They want to buy low and sell high. But there are some select dealers out there that do offer consignment, and it does save you a substantial amount of money. So instead of getting a wholesale or a trade-in price, they will list it for the retail price and then usually take off a small fee. So you end up saving $2,000 to $6,000 more. So let's look at this exact same example. So your proceeds on this sale, instead of getting $20,000 for a trade-in, you would get $24,500. So you would just get $24,500, but you'd still have to pay $50,000 plus tax. So you would still save a lot more money using this method. You would save $4,500. Now, stay tuned to the end. We're going to show that there's a way to combine a couple of these options. It's a bonus we'll give at the end of the video that I don't think many people out there know about this at all. And it can save you up to $10,000 or more. So stay tuned to the end. The benefits, let's go through this quickly. The benefits of listing through a dealership is they can sell your vehicle at a full market value, which is typically $2,000 to $6,000 more. The beauty is you get to set your price and the dealer handles the sale for you. So it's not like selling your private where you have to deal with all those people. So this is where Purr comes in. So Purr has partners across the country that you just go to purr.ca, you schedule an appointment to get your vehicle listed at a local dealer. They will take the professional photos. They will post it across all the platforms online. They will field all the leads. They will offer financing. They will do an inspection, and they will handle the sale from A to Z, and you just wait for your big check. This is an example of a client collecting his big check. He earned $5,000 more than what a traditional trade-in would be if he were to trade in at a local dealership. So he was very happy. Now, this isn't the end of the video, but I wanted to get quickly into this, the bonus. So this is where you combine a couple of those previous options. This is called the perfect sale. So this is if you get the dealership to sell your vehicle on consignment at the price you choose, so at a full market price. For example, you would get $24,500 for this vehicle. And then if you immediately use those proceeds to, it's not a trade-in, it's called a convenience sale. You would use that as a trade-in. So now you would save the money on the tax. You would save almost $4,000 on the tax. And then you would save the $4,500 as well from the proceeds of the consignment sale. So in this example, you would save $7,685. So if you were to list if your vehicle were worth $65,000, your savings just start going up. You could save up to $12,950. So if you have a mid-range luxury vehicle for $65,000, you can save up to almost $13,000. But if you have like an exotic car or a high-end luxury car, let's just say even if it's worth $125,000, now your savings just continue to skyrocket. You can save up to $20,750 using this example here. So it's substantial. So right now, everyone has two options. You can get your vehicle. The number one option at the top is you can bounce around from dealer to dealer hunting for the best of the worst trade-in offers. Or you can do the grueling market research and try to list it for yourself privately for a fair price. If you do that, you have to shine up the vehicle, clean it up, take pictures, schedule test drives, deal with callers, messengers 24/7. You have to have strangers over to your house to go on test drives. You have to go to the bank with them to confirm their money is real and not fraudulent. There's many other issues that can come along with trying to sell yourself privately. Or the other option is you could choose Purr. You set your price and relax while the pros get your car sold for maximum dollar. So why should you do all the heavy lifting when we at Purr specialize in doing this every day? So welcome to Purr, where selling your car becomes a breeze. To get your car listed, just continue scrolling through.